Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we encountered. The issue arises when trying to set setsar equals 11 on all video streams created in FFmpeg. Despite attempts to convert to separate files with the desired aspect ratio, trouble arises when converting to multiple outputs simultaneously. Now, onto the solution, as per the provided information, to tackle the aspect ratio challenge. The key lies in creating separate adaptation sets for each video stream. By modifying the adaptation_sets parameter to ID equals 0, streams equals 0, ID equals 0, streams equals 1, ID equals 0, streams equals 2, we ensure that each video stream is assigned its own distinct set, thus avoiding conflicts in aspect ratios. In summary, by setting up individual adaptation sets for each video stream in FFmpeg, we can successfully enforce the desired aspect ratio, setsar equals 11, without running into errors related to conflicting aspect ratios. Remember, adaptability is key in video processing. That's a wrap for today. Hope you found this video script helpful in resolving your FFmpeg aspect ratio woes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.